Hey guys, Daniel here from Twin Bytes with another tech tutorial for you, this time on a dash cam review for you guys, so stick around for this quick little review. Hey guys, so I wanted to do a review on this dash cam that I got. Now, I've had it a little while ago and I've already broken it basically. It still works, but one of the problems with it is the suction cup came off it, so it's not gonna stick on the windshield anymore, and it didn't have the best quality either. So I wanted to show you a little bit of footage here. So I'll have this going in the background so you can kind of see how the quality of the video, and even as I'm approaching cars, I'm purposely not blocking out license plate numbers here, which hopefully isn't a problem, but anybody can see license plates as they drive around. It's no secret. So the idea behind this is you want to be able to see the traffic and capture what happens on the road, but at the same time, especially if you need to catch someone's license plate so you can report them, you want to be able to view the license plate. And you can see here how difficult it is with this particular dash cam on finding or seeing the license plate. Even once I get up close to a red light and finally come to a complete stop and get close enough, after a few seconds we might be able to actually see the plate. So I've got the camera here now. I don't have the top part of it here. I'll just throw the picture up on the screen again. Now this opens up on the bottom and I'm able to get the screen, and now it's got on the one side here the USB charging port, and on the other side is where you can put in the SD card. And you can see on the front here it's also supposed to provide night vision, but the problem with this is, for me in this case, I never had the night vision work at all. It never worked once for me. I can actually put up a quick shot here of the night vision for you so you can see, well, not see, the same as me. You can see that there's vehicles that pass by, but can't really tell what color they are, and definitely can't see license plate numbers unless I was right on top of them at a stoplight. But being able to see something as you pass by is almost impossible. So if we flip back to the day vision here, you can see I just came to a complete stop behind this van. I can barely make out the license plate number. So I don't know, on a bigger screen here, I think now maybe we can see this. But I mean, I had to come to a complete stop and be sitting there for a bit, and then once he starts to go, you can see we very quickly lose the plate number in almost no time at all. So if I'm just far enough away from someone and I'm trying to catch that plate number, like here I'm approaching the light, I want to be able to see this guy's plate number, and I had to stop, but I couldn't catch it. So in my opinion, and this part of the thing is, my screen isn't in perfect condition, or sorry, my windshield isn't pristine. It's not really dirty, but because it's not perfect and the sun's out, it bounces off of the reflection from the camera through the window, and it gives a little bit of a blurry look. So the cars overall, you can see them, but it really, we want to be able to see license plate numbers too, and for me that makes this not that great of a buy. It was a real cheap one. It doesn't even have the brand name, so how is that for marketing? They don't put the brand name or the model number, nothing. Nowhere on here can I find it. Even when I turn it on and go into the menu, I do not see anything on here that indicates the brand. It doesn't even want to charge properly anymore either. So anyway, it was my first dash cam that I ever got that I thought would be a great idea to capture stuff, and you never know what kind of interesting things you're going to see. And actually, while I was using this, I caught something totally unexpected, and I can't show it to you here for legal reasons, but I caught I caught a couple fighting. It's a good investment, and it's good for insurance. If you rear end somebody and it's not your fault, you can prove that it's not your fault with video footage. And you know how they say a picture is worth 1,000 words. A video, what do you think that's worth when it can prove your innocence? Get one that's going to have a good suction cup and that it's going to stick properly on your windshield. Or you can get one like one of these other ones. I'll throw up a picture here on the screen, and they wrap around your rear view mirror, and there's some really good features with that where you can actually turn the camera around, so you could use it as a rear facing camera, or if you get pulled over by the police and you want to turn the camera on the cop, then if they do something stupid, you caught them on camera. So anyway, you want to invest a little bit of money in getting a good quality camera, so that when it comes time that you actually need to make use of the video in a court, then you want to make sure that it's going to be good enough quality that it works and shows exactly what it is you're trying to show. So that's my review on that. If you guys haven't subscribed yet, please do. It helps me to keep making these videos. Give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video, and comment below. Let me know, do you use a dash cam, and if so, what make and model do you have? What experience have you had with your dash cam, and do you have a rear facing dash cam as well? Alright, that's it for now. Stick around for the next video. Alright, thanks guys, bye for now.